How to buy cheap costumes in Marvel Rivals. So let's say you want to buy a skin for your main hero. When you go here on the store, you don't see the costumes, or all of the costumes are pretty pricey. So even though you have this 38% off, and when you go right here, it's still pretty pricey, right? But what you can do is just simply go just buy the skin itself right here. But I don't think that's worth it since it's only 200 units off to buy all of the bundle right there. So what you can do if you want to buy a skin for your main hero is just simply go to heroes. Let's say you want to buy a skin for Thor. I'm gonna find Thor right here. So I'm gonna click on Thor and go to cosmetics. And what you can do is find a skin for Thor. So this one was 2000 or 2200 for the bundle. And when you go here on the other one and you click on acquire, this skin only costs 1400, right? And this other skin only costs for 600, which is pretty cheap compared to the others right here. So if you want to buy a skin for your hero or any hero that you want and you want to buy cheap ones, these are the skins that you could find here on the cosmetics or costumes page. And that's basically it.